Hey friends, we'll be back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video I'm going to be walking with you guys, showing you how to deal with what known as SQLite3 with the Python 3 to see how those things work. We're going to be looking into connection, and this time around I'm going to make life simple for all of us. We are going to be using up this stuff here around. I remember on the previous video I showed you guys how to deal with the Python using up these parameters here, but this time we're going to create up our own script which is going to be working for us. And you guys, if you have not yet happened to subscribe my YouTube channel, utilize this chance and at least give me a chance and support me by subscribing to my channel so that you can get a chance and access to learn with me. Thank you guys. Now on the other way around, like I've said to you guys, I'm OSP Pro. Let me just break this story short for you. Make sure you go to your Python 3 ID and open up your script. So I'm going to just open up a script here, and I'm going to create a script for us here. So this is it. So this is where I expect our output to be for now. But though later on we are going to be using our Python 3 SQLite with one on us Flask. So that's my paying target because that's where we had reached. We had already reached somewhere here where I happen to create a one Python Flask. If you guys see very well, that's Python Flask up with the Django with Jinga 2. But to use Jinga 2 you should be using Flask, SQLite, because that was my target. Now let me just do this for now here. How do you do that? We're just going to be saying we are going to save our file, but where are you going to save it? I'm going to create up a simple SQLite3 Python here. We already have a database called SQLite here, db3, but I'm not going to use that. Let me just use something new. Let me just create a file to not confuse any of you. Let me just create a file called SQLite3 like that. So I'm just going to simply say import one as SQLite3, and after importing I'm going to create a connection. So connection, I can simply say one as to get connection. For that I need to call for SQLite3, which is going to be .com connect, and here you can give the database name. My database name can just be data.db. You should always give the parameters for that. And for database to be successfully called, you can actually just do some print. Remember that database is going to be open. The database is going to be open. So what am I going to do now at the moment? I will simply say db created and open. So that implies in simple term is open. SQLite3 gives us chance that when you happen to create database, it will also again give it open. So I'm going to save it inside here. So I'll click save, and then I select that stuff which is in the desktop, and I just look for it, which is SQLite. And then I'm going to give our project as one as example or test. We just call it example, but on Python, remember the extension is already there. So I'll just click save. So this is what happened when I happen to click our project and try to run it here, save, and try to click model. By the time you see it said db created and open, we already have that db, and so far it's having 0 KB because we don't have any data inserted there. Okay. So in this simple video I've shown you guys how to create connection to your MySQL database using Python IDE and SQLite3. So these are the simple parameters. So you can always use this in different way. You can define any function. Even here you can change this parameter by saying maybe one as import SQLite3 maybe as SQL. You guys can use like that, or as maybe S, as maybe score, or whatever thing you need to import it. And if you say here maybe as SQL, then that implies you need to change these parameters to SQL like that. So this too has to be, because this is what is known as taking up these parameters and taking out this condition to be inside here. At the end of the day you could get this database when you save it. So guys, thanks for watching this short video. Find it interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get a chance each time I post a video, you're among the people being notified. Thank you guys, and those who want to support me financially, you can also give me a hand by you can actually request for my one on us the PayPal account, and then we see way forward. Thank you guys for watching this video live. Thank you.